Okay, need to make space. This goes out, that goes out, that comes back in. There's musical cars to do outside as well. Wow, I managed to go a whole episode without saying anything and making a mess in the garage. So there's the car, and there's the other bit of the car. It's all empty, nothing in it apart from the dash. All the door stuff is off, all the underneath is off. I've done a lot of other little bits, but I think I'll cover that next episode. Basically, the shell is almost ready for paint, and all of this could do with a cleanup. It's amazing how much room a car takes up when it's all not part of one sort of thing. So yeah, I'll call it there. Nice quiet one from me this week. Yeah, no lengthy chats, nothing, just moving things around and tearing the car down. So on that note, I think I'll keep it short and sweet. Give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, go follow the channel on all these social media platforms, and become a patron and be a massive legend. Yeah, so next week we'll do some, we've got some little bits to do on the shell, and then it's off for paint. Woohoo!